Y'all have fun out here without me? So we're gonna try this again? So this is Klockwerks install part two.
Just gonna have to move some stuff that I don't want to move.
We're gonna have to shake it a little bit because one of the screws kind of dropped down.
One of the screws dropped?
I got that out of.
You can reach it.
Well, anyway, what's up you beautiful people, and welcome to yet another brand Bicasso video. We're trying, well, I kind of walked in at the last minute, but they're trying to install the Klockwerks windshield on the 2019 Indian Chieftain. Once again, the previous attempt failed because the midrisers that Jarrett has on his 2019 Chieftain don't work well with the Klockwerks windshield unless you move the handlebars back. So that is what he's going to do this time, because some of you in the comments have said that you guys used the midrisers with this specific windshield. So what he's going to do today, he's going to try it again. He bought one and he's going to move his midrisers a bit to see if he can get it to work.
This is actually the same one, as the same color as the brick.
Oh yeah, and you got a darker tint.
Hey Brandon, what if I don't have to adjust it because of it's smaller?
You still gonna have to adjust it,
Yeah,
because you're already bumping.
Yeah, I gotta come down some more though.
Stop being hard-headed. But I can understand why. So you gonna ride with that warranty tab on the whole time?
No.
No.
No, he ain't gonna do that.
I'm being in the way.
You can even look at it and tell
It's short, yeah.
it's shorter because mine look long from the side.
Sure can. Alright. Tell you what I'm gonna do.
To me.
It looks the same. I think you wanted that anyway.
No. I ain't gonna have to use that dog handlebar, but I believe.
I think they look the same.
Watch them do this magic. Want some cranberries?
Y'all want some cranberries?
Yes.
No, I like my stomach not being unsettled. Thank you very much.
Well, it's like raisins. Oh.
I'm good. I'm good. You might want to put some towels on your tank just in case that screw fall off.
I ain't gonna take it out.
Oh, okay. Me just being cautious. I don't think that's gonna do it, bro.
I don't think so either, but we're gonna try.
Actually, you should have put the windshield on and then mess with that.
That's the only way I can get the windshield.
Well, the windshield won't go on.
Oh.
Yeah, it ain't gonna go on with that. Cause that's the problem in the first place. Come on, Shakalaka. It's getting close. It's straight on this side. I just got to come up with this side some more.
Wait, what?
It's still.
Is
This
it-
is still touching that.
Yeah,
But is the windshield already fully extended?
nope. You won't see it in a minute.
That's okay. I'm gonna stand back.
All right, so I'm gonna have to come back with them handlebars, but let's see.
Just a little bit. Yeah. There.
Yeah, just a tad bit. All right, but I can fix that.
Buzzing.
I can come back with some more.
Cause guess what? Once you get it, if you don't move this, once you get it all the way up and you pull it back down, that lip is gonna catch on that.
Right. But I got you. Cause I ain't all the way far as it can go. I just gotta take just a little bit so I can get this thing on me.
Oh, I didn't see those.
What?
Do those things work?
Yeah, they do.
Do they?
Yeah, they do. They cut the buffering.
Cut the buffering up.
Yeah.
But it was a piece of work to get it on there.
Was it?
Yeah, on one side, well, I had to take the
He had to take the old seat off.
passenger foot peg is what had to come off to take that panel out of it.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
To get this back on there.
I figured you probably had to take some stuff off to get to it, to get
But
the
see,
mounted.
mine
there.
doesn't have the passenger.
Yeah, see, it would be no problem with it. But the other side was gravy. It was straight on there.
Oh, it's because of your seat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah,
See
y'all do have
this?
different seats.
Ooh,
Gotcha.
Brandon,
Uh oh,
I
what?
believe them damn plastic what you call them is gonna make it where it won't. Let's see. Hold on, I might be.
Last time, dude.
It
was hell, but
Here we go again.
oh, luckily it came out.
yeah, Indian.
Thank you, Indian.
Get the harder one
Now-
first.
It seems like the trickiest thing about these windshields is getting these dang screws to catch. Because you can get in there thinking you're not, like it's going and it's like,
Is
nope.
it east and west on there? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Okay.
put the little spacer thingies on the back. It's like it takes a little bit of no, you're fine. It takes a little bit of finessing, but
find out that they're different sizes.
Right. You good? Yeah, you good. Oh man, now that you got those three in
Might
one.
not have to move. I was telling you, I don't believe that we would have to. All you do is just put a little ingenuity to it, and I wasn't willing to do it that day because we were trying to ride.
Man, the only way you gonna get this motor to work the right way,
It's gonna be the right way though.
that sucker gonna have to roll enough to where that goes. You got to roll that quite far back. I mean, I would like it to work that way, but your control's gonna be crazy.
It's finna go.
It's finna go. Hey, all right, show me.
It's finna go. Cause I knew it had some more.
Show me.
Show me the money.
Show me.
Show me the money.
Show me. Please. I want it to work. I want it to.
There it go.
He just moved it.
All right, now I want you to extend that screen all the way up without it bumping.
That's all wheel.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
This lip, you got like a good
You see how they got
quarter of an
this?
inch.
I believe it's all the way up. But what the? One way we can tell it. Hold on.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Yeah, you cut it, man.
Go ahead and do it. It's all the way up. That's why I kept telling y'all.
Oh.
Oh! Well, I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Set up. It sure don't look like it.
Huh?
I'm wrong.
Look how
That's what I tried to tell you. It's significantly noticeable. Yeah.
see how short this is, and you see how wide mine is.
How what?
This. His is.
It's nothing to do with that. It's not the windshield. It's the bar. Your bar comes up further. Your bar is look. Your bar is here.
The fairing.
His is like still down in it. So yeah, it could be the fairing. I don't know which one, but one of the. So that's fully extended.
Yes.
That's fully extended.
Well, never mind then. You did it. Dun, dun, dun,
But
dun.
you
Hey,
did it.
look. But
You
from my
did it.
understanding that the fairing on this year model. That's your feel premium. Mine
What?
feel cheap.
You said Harris feels premium, yours feels cheap. Foolish.
Look.
Makes the same. Ooh, one extra piece of polyurethane.
Hey, but no, I was just talking to you.
I think this one might be shorter, and yours might be taller. I don't know because you can see the the actual bar.
Dimensions on the website.
You see the actual bar there. You can't see it on yours. Yours is recessed more. You can't even see the actual bar, so I don't know. Now you're gonna smell spit every time we ain't get in there.
Yes.
I don't know.
But look,
Indian does weird
that
things.
flare up for you.
You know what? It makes sense now. The reason why I don't know if this is the real reason, but yours doesn't have to come up as far. Reason being, you got a intake right here. Hers doesn't have that, so that's probably why hers has to go up further.
Hello.
Which makes sense.
Hola.
Una Taco Bell.
Quiero taco.
In the video, the video that I was editing, and I passed Taco Bell, and I just went into like an Italian Taco Bell rant, like Taco Bell. Huh?
I was at Taco Bell last night because I heard you at drive-thru.
Yeah. Yeah. So y'all riding anywhere today?
Well,
I might, but I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of cold out here, and I ain't trying to be no wuss.
Wind will go right through me.
I ain't trying to be no wuss, but like
You'll be feeling the wind.
it cold.
And then if you coming in between us,
It cold.
you're gonna be like,
this last boat ain't no joke.
You gotta finesse it.
Hey, no. Hold that back there.
You gotta finesse it. Finesse it. Finesse it. You gotta take it slow, man. Hey, you know what? He
Down. Just come down. Hope I don't mess up the damn thing on it.
Finesse it. Finesse it. Just like
No,
that.
it ain't nothing you doing. It's just something I'm gonna have to do. In the beginning.
Yeah, you might have to loosen that one because you do have a little lip, so you not. Oh, wait. That's it right there. That's it. Get it. Yep, that's it. That's it. Right there.
Sure will.
That's
That's
it.
it. That's it.
Finesse it.
Yep.
Finesse it. All right, cool. So
It will work, but it's a different size though.
So the question for you guys is, so like, look, I got a slightly used like 2019 Indian Chieftain windshield. Any takers?
And a 2018.
And the 2018 slightly used windshield. You know, never know. Might need one.
Well, I think if you mount that bad boy, they gonna know it because that screw gonna have a little wedge in it.
All right, so that's a done deal.
Cause I pressed it when he did the thing. I was like, I pressed it. And
So we like right
yet, though.
there's. So that's your setup. So all you did was, oh, dude, that looks bad.
Yeah, it is.
That looks bad.
Yeah, and they said they weren't gonna.
That looked very bad. So for those of you guys that don't know, when he got the midrisers installed, whoever installed them at the dealership kind of put the brake line too close to it was kind of bumping against the fairing, and it rubbed that's not even paint, that's like into the coating of it. Like a second layer of
I wondered, can you just
material
like
in
buy
there.
something to kind of like cover it up?
Yeah, I probably will. I'm gonna have to.
Be like, hey, let's go to the big number.
But honestly, Jerry, well, you don't think that's gonna be a problem if it's pinching there, do you?
Where?
I mean, you're pinching your brake line.
It been pinching the whole time I've had it. So yeah, I got to move that. I'm gonna have to let the air go in the system because it will. If you just
I guess you can
snug it
pivot
just
it.
A little bit, yeah, it's still gonna go
Yeah,
in
you
the
have to
system.
bleed the brakes.
Yeah,
You do
you're
that.
gonna have to do it because once that lock washer let loose, it's gonna let air in there.
So I guess if you were to move it, you just have it sitting like in between here.
Yeah.
All right, so for anybody that's watching this, who y'all do mid risers, make sure you don't do this.
Move.
Learn from our mistakes. Actually, your throttle cable might be pushing it.
It ain't no throttle cable. That's
Oh, I'm sorry, clutch cable. There you go, folks. You got it installed. So yeah, the first time we just didn't move some stuff. I guess
I thought I was gonna have to readjust these.
I mean, I guess it's the same windshield. I don't know, but they got it working. Hey, what size windshield is that? Klockwerks what?
Klockwerks windshield.
I mean, what size though?
This a 12, and they said that one's a 12 too.
So apparently these are both 12s, but it seems like, I don't know, they look kind of different. But anyway, the 12 works with midrisers. You do have to move your controllers.
Not working.
Somebody tape measure not working. You do have to move the controls a little bit to get it set up the right way, but it does work and it looks good. So for those of you that have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And for those of you that are watching this, don't forget to smash that like button. And yeah, stay tuned for more stuffs.
You know what? That's a good indication too.
Yeah.
He was letting it down.
I missed the fantastic letdown. Oh.
Is that a piece of hair?
Boy. Woo, that space. That space.
I'm just
Can't
happy
get no
I got it on there though.